Just a moment. On. Yes. Okay. So today's lead topic is Solar Energy Corporation of India. ठीक है. Why it was in news? Gautam Adani bribery controversy was in news, and it is related to this particular central public sector enterprise which awarded a tender in 2019 to Adani Green Energy, and that's why it was in news. ठीक है. तो इससे रिलेटेड बेसिक से फर्स्ट एमसीक्यू देखेंगे और आज हम 20 एमसीक्यूज डिस्कस करेंगे अलग अलग इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स से. बट बिफोर दैट डेली वी आर ऑल्सो डिस्कसिंग वन कोटेशन एंड इट इज हेल्पिंग अस टू प्रिपेयर फॉर आवर मेंस एग्जामिनेशन सब्जेक्ट्स लाइक एसए एंड एथिक्स. जो स्टेट पीसीएस की तैयारी कर रहे हैं उनके लिए भी ये काफी ज्यादा यूजफुल है. नाउ टुडेज कोट इज बाय नेल्सन मंडेला. ही इज सेइंग दैट फॉर टू बी फ्री इज नॉट मेयरली टू कास्ट ऑफ वंस चेन्स but to live in a way that respects and enhances the freedom of others. Yes, truly said. True freedom is not merely to cast off one's chain. ठीक है. तो यानी कि freedom सिर्फ खुद का freedom नहीं होता है. ठीक है. Rather, the freedom is complete when we are respecting the freedom of other people and enhancing their freedom. Then only we will say that that is true freedom enjoyed by the people in the civilized and democratic country. For example, simple example हम दे सकते हैं जैसे कि driving car on a road. ठीक है. Everyone has freedom to drive car on a road. ठीक है. तो ये तो freedom है खुद का. But yes, can one do the rash driving? If the person is doing rash driving, then the person threatens the freedom experienced by other people. It can harm them. ठीक है. तो basically that reduces their freedom. So that's why it is not the true freedom we can say, or you are not truly free in a democratic country because you will be also punished for such kind of act. Right? So that's why he is saying like this, for to be free is not merely to cast off one's chains, but to live in a way that respects and enhances the freedom of other people. So that's why Article 9, which talks about different 6 freedoms, there are reasonable restrictions on those freedoms. It's not the absolute freedom that we enjoy. इस तरीके से आपको इसको डिस्कस करना है. All right, let's talk about today's topics. But before that, small announcement related to prelims guidance program at Lukmaan IAS is going to start from 6th January 2025. We hope that you will start preparation of your prelims examination from January onwards, as the exam is in May 2025. And for preparation of prelims, you require both conceptual clarity as well as MCQ solving practice. This will be done both because this particular prelims guidance program at Lukmaan IAS will have both the teaching classes as well as the test series. Okay, so during weekdays there will be classes by the expert faculties, and during weekend there will be test. So it will be evaluated. You will be also provided mentorship so that you are improving further every test after test. So do join this program and enhance your preparation of prelims examination. These are the 20 MCQ topics. Let's solve these MCQs one by one. Yes, first question, Solar Energy Corporation of India, SECI. So I told you the context why it was in news, Adani bribery controversy. Now, this Solar Energy Corporation of India was set up in 2011 as non-profit organization, but later on, let's say, converted into commercial company under Companies Act 2013, and this is Central Public Sector Enterprise. ठीक है. PSU है, and it is responsible for development of renewable energy, not only solar energy but solar, wind and hydro energy. ठीक है. What this question is saying, the public sector undertaking under Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. This is correct. Okay, administrative control कौन सी मिनिस्ट्री का है? New and Renewable Energy. It is the only central public sector undertaking dedicated to renewable energy sector in India. This one is also correct. Both statements are correct here. So C is the correct answer about this. All right. Now let's talk about next question. Yes, Waves OTT platform. Yes, what is it? This over-the-top platform is launched by not Ministry of Information, rather Prasar Bharati, independent organization. Prasar Bharati. It is to provide digital access, content to digital access to digital content of दूरदर्शन एंड आकाशवाणी. ठीक है, तो उससे रिलेटेड है ये. दिस इज इनकरेक्ट. डिजाइन फॉर लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग ऑफ सीवियर वेदर इवेंट्स दिस इज इनकरेक्ट। ये किसके लिए है? डिजिटल कंटेंट, जो दूरदर्शन और जो पुराने प्रोग्राम्स होते थे, जैसे आपने शायद बचपन में शक्तिमान और वो देखा होगा, तो वो आज आप डिजिटल कंटेंट एक्सेस करके एज अ OTT प्लेटफॉर्म, जैसे नेटफ्लिक्स है, अमेजॉन है, तो उसी तरीके से ये भी होगा, राइट। द प्लेटफॉर्म एम्स टू archive and provide on demand access to heritage Indian television and radio program. This one is correct, we can say. So 3 only is the correct answer. C is the answer here. Okay. Now next, Rajaraja Chola I, regarding the historical personality, he assumed the title Mummudi Chola, signifying his control over 3 Tamilian crowns: Chola Empire, Chera Empire and Pandyas. This is correct. Brihadeshwara temple at Tanjavur is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and it was constructed during his reign. This one is also correct. This temple is almost 1000-year old and UNESCO World Heritage Site. He was responsible for conquest of Sri Lanka, marking the beginning of Chola domination over the Sri Lankan island. All 3 statements are correct here. So answer is D. All right. Moving on, next question. Yes. So we were observing Guru Tegh Bahadur's, or we can say Shahidi Divas, and that's why the question is asked from the personality history part. Yes, he earned the name Tegh Bahadur when he showed his bravery and swordsmanship in the battle against Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb. Though you have to remember that the contemporary of Aurangzeb was 10th Guru Gobind Singh. Okay, so this is incorrect statement. Yes, his bravery and swordsmanship in the early age was observed against battle against the Mughal Cheptian and not Aurangzeb. Okay, so this is incorrect. He supported the tradition of worshipping at graves of peers and fakirs. This is incorrect. Rather, he opposed such practice and said that or urged his followers to be nirbhav and nirvay. So this statement is incorrect. The second part is correct, but overall statement is incorrect. After Guru Tegh Bahadur, Guruship became hereditary, which helped in consolidating the power. Now this is incorrect. Okay, so he was 9th Guru, but after 4th Guru, death of 4th Guru, Guru Ramdas, position became hereditary. So this is also factually incorrect. All 3 statements are incorrect. So none of this is correct here. Okay, D is the correct answer. D is the correct answer. Moving on. Yes, match the pair, wildlife sanctuaries and states. Trishna Wildlife Sanctuary was in news. It is located in Tripura, famous for Indian gaur or bison. Okay, Indian bison, Tripura. Laukho Wildlife Sanctuary, it is located in Assam. Located in Assam. Okay, जो काजीरंगा लैंडस्केप है वहाँ पर located है. Both are incorrect. Girnar Wildlife Sanctuary, yes, it is located in Gujarat. The habitat for Asiatic lion. So only one pair is correctly matched here. A is the correct answer. All right. Next question. And Defense Ministers Meeting Plus. Yes. So it was established in Hanoi, Vietnam in 2010. So this statement is correct. Platform for ASEAN and its 7, factually incorrect, 8 dialogue partners to strengthen security and defense cooperation. Largely it is US and its allies, including India. So India is the member of this grouping. So first and third, B is the correct answer. B is the correct answer. Now moving on. Yes, last places in news, Kurram region. Why it was in news? Recently, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province of Pakistan was in news because of sectarian conflicts between Shia and Sunni Muslims there. So it is located in Pakistan. Okay, Kurram region, Pakistan, along the border with Afghanistan. You can see in the map here, Kurram region, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province जो है यहाँ का. Next, yes, recently a GI tag was announced to Narsapuram lace craft. Narsapuram lace craft is from West Godavari district of Andhra Pradesh. West Godavari district of Andhra Pradesh. So D is the correct answer. Right. It looks like this, lace craft. Then Riang tribe. Okay, so Riang tribe at present, majority of the Riang tribe people are living in Tripura. They migrated to India, or we can say that they took refuge to India after, we can say that some kind of persecution, as well as let's say their habitat was destructed there in Chittagong district of Bangladesh. ठीक है, तो उनका ओरिजिन म्यांमार में है, बट यस दे लार्जली शिफ्टेड फ्रॉम द चित्तगोंग रीजन ऑफ बांग्लादेश टू त्रिपुरा रीजन इन इंडिया. They are recognized as particularly vulnerable tribal group in India. This is correct. They speak Kobru language, which is recognized distinct minority language in Tripura. This is incorrect. Rather, the people of this community have requested state government of Tripura to recognize this language as the minority language. Okay, so this is incorrect statement. Hojagiri dance or Hojagiri festival is the traditional dance performed by Riang community. This is correct, we can say. So first and third, that is only two statements are correct here. About Riang community, we can expect such question in prelims. Now, yes, Romania country was in news. Ukraine-Russia war is going on. So eastern part of Europe, many developments are happening around Ukraine and Russia. So keep a tab on that. In 2023, there was question on Ukraine and let's say its neighboring countries, we can say. Now, Romania, yes. Moldova, Hungary, Ukraine, Serbia, Bulgaria, all these have border, but Russia is not having border with Romania. So only 5 is correct answer here. Look at the map of Romania. Immediately you should have habit of opening the atlas and see all these countries: Moldova, Ukraine, Hungary, Serbia and Bulgaria. Okay, so these are the 5 countries. Now, moving on, regarding MACE telescope. Okay, what is this? Major atmospheric, we can say that a particular name is there. ठीक है, कौन सा experiment है मैं बताता हूँ आपको. ठीक है, you can remember the full form also. Why? Because it is important for prelims. Yes, it is Major Atmospheric Cherenkov experiment. MACE telescope was recently inaugurated in India at Hanle village, Ladakh. Hanle village 1-2 साल पहले भी न्यूज़ में था. Why? India's first dark sky reserve is located in Hanle, Ladakh. Okay, it is the largest gamma ray telescope in the world. No, this is incorrect. Rather, it is highest telescope in the world and Asia's largest. Asia's largest. ठीक है, तो this is incorrect. The main goal is to study gamma ray with more than 20 billion EV of energy. This is correct. So it will study the cosmic phenomenon. It is operated by DRDO. DRDO क्यों ऑपरेट करेगा, थोड़ा सा भी आप लॉजिक यूज कर सकते हैं. भाभा एटॉमिक रिसर्च सेंटर. It has been developed by BARC and operated by BARC. This is incorrect. This is incorrect. Only 2. That is B is the correct answer. B is the correct answer. Okay. Now, One Nation, One Subscription scheme was recently approved by the cabinet. Yes, it is launched by Ministry of Science and Tech. This is incorrect. Rather, it is initiative under education sector. So, the vision of National Education Policy 2020, and we can say that this particular initiative aims to provide countrywide access to scholarly publications to all academic institutions, researchers and citizens. Citizens का नहीं है, ठीक है. Largely it is academic institutions और researchers के लिए है. It will rely on international funding agencies and we can say that to negotiate open access agreement with publishers. ये international funding के ऊपर नहीं है, rather it is going to use the government funding. ठीक है, गवर्नमेंट फंडिंग यूज करेगा ये. ओके, सो यस, दिस इज इनकरेक्ट, दिस इज इनकरेक्ट. सो यस, दिस कैन बी, वी कैन से दैट करेक्ट. 1 ओनली इज द करेक्ट आंसर हियर. 1 ओनली इज द करेक्ट आंसर. ठीक है, ऑल राइट. नाउ यस, रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट जो है इम्प्रूव करने के लिए ये लॉन्च किया गया है. रिमेंबर दिस. नाउ रिगार्डिंग Sjogren, ठीक है, Sjogren's disease. What is this disease? Yes, it is a unique kind of, we can say that, autoimmune condition affecting moisture secreting glands in the human body. So C is the correct answer. Okay, such kind of unique diseases can be asked in prelims examination, general science, health science. Yes, recently this particular scheme was approved by the cabinet, National Mission on Natural Farming. Basically, it has integrated several pilot projects to promote natural farming in India. Like Gobardhan scheme is there, or we can say that Bharatiya पारंपरिक कृषि पद्धति जो गवर्नमेंट का स्कीम था वो इंटीग्रेट करके अभी ये नेशनल मिशन ऑन नेचुरल फार्मिंग लॉन्च किया गया. इट इज सेंट्रली स्पॉन्सर्ड स्कीम. दिस इज करेक्ट. The term of the mission is coterminous with 16th Finance Commission. This is incorrect. Rather, it is 15th Finance Commission. 15th Finance Commission that is going to end 2025-26. ठीक है. The aim of the scheme is to reach 1 crore farmers and initiate natural farming 7.5 lakh hectares in next 2 years. This is correct. This is the goal. Okay, so first and third, only 2 statements are correct here. B is the correct answer. ठीक है. Then Ayushman Bharat health account. Okay, Abha, it is basically the health account with a ID having 14 digits, and this is the initiative so as to have the health records of individuals, accessibility to health records. It is not the insurance card. This is incorrect. It is not mandatory, rather it is voluntary scheme at present, voluntary for every citizen. Abha card operates under framework of Ayushman Bharat digital mission. This is correct, we can say. 3 only is the correct answer. ठीक है, 3 only is the correct answer. Now, next is thrombectomy. Thrombo means blood vessels. It is something related to blood vessels. So, surgical procedure to repair damaged blood vessels. That is called as thrombectomy. Okay, so such health science related again question can be asked. A is the correct answer. Biology. Now, yes, Institute of Chartered Accounts of India. Yes, important body regulating, we can say, the chartered accountant, CAS in the country. It is the statutory body established under this act. This is correct. It functions under the administrative controls of Ministry of Corporate Affairs. This is also true. Both statements are correct here. C is the correct answer. Recently one exam that is being conducted by this let's say institute is postponed. That's why it was in news. Yes, National Center for Coastal Research. This is a research body operating under Ministry of Earth Sciences, focuses on coastal and marine environment research. That is true. One of its major initiative, monitoring marine litter and microplastic along the India's coastline. That is also true, we can say that. It is responsible for implementing the Indian Tsunami Early Warning System in collaboration with, this is incorrect. This responsibility is with INCOIS. ठीक है, Indian National Center for Ocean Information System. ठीक है, this is located in Hyderabad. Under Ministry of Earth Science. ठीक है, Hyderabad. So this is incorrect. First 2 are correct. 1 and 2 only is the correct answer. A is the correct answer. All right. 19th question. Regarding Nayi Chetna 3.0 campaign. This is the awareness generation campaign regarding gender-based violence. This is correct. Ministry of Women and आपको लग सकता है gender based है तो Women and Children का है. This is incorrect. This initiative has been launched under Deen Dayal Upadhyay Antyodaya Yojana NRLM, National Rural Livelihood Mission. ठीक है, NRLM के अंडर जो सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप्स होते हैं, विमेन लेड सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप्स होते हैं, दे विल स्प्रेड द अवेयरनेस अबाउट दिस एंड इट इज implemented by Ministry of Rural Development. Ministry of Rural Development. So this statement is incorrect. 1 only is the correct answer. A is the correct answer. All right. Moving on. Regarding the Portuguese rule history part, several questions we are discussing history. Let's say the events and personalities, very important in history part. Portuguese objective of setting direct sea link with India aimed to displace the virtual monopoly of Arabs and Turks over the trade in eastern goods. This is correct. Calicut, Cananor and Cochin acted as important trade centers of Portuguese. This is also true. ठीक है, Calicut में तो वो आए थे. Cananor and Cochin, all 3 were important trade centers for Portuguese. Portuguese governor Albuquerque. Now this is incorrect. The blue water policy was of Almeida, who was the preceding we can say governor general. ठीक है, अल्मेडा के बाद अल्बकर्क आया and he was the, let's say, real founder of Portuguese rule in India. So this is, we can say, incorrect. First 2 are correct. 1 and 2 only is the correct answer here. 1 and 2 only is the correct answer. Okay, so these are the 20 MCQs of the day. Fine, keep following these sessions. Do like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.